Greetings RC fans, Sharky here and welcome back to Sharky's Garage for another unboxing. By the title of the video you'll know what this is, but there's a bit of a story about it all, and this video has been a while coming to you. I actually purchased this I think back in June after going to East, but with one thing or another, that much content, trying to get stuff out, and obviously this is going to probably be the last RC video of 2025, but there are more to come in this kind of series, which I'll explain in more detail in a little while. Before we get into the main part of the video, don't forget to do the usual things like comment and subscribe. So this is how the package arrived in a bag. And I will pull it out and show you what was inside. You may have seen some stuff in some of my other videos, but yeah, it came like this. So I have opened it, I have had it out. What's in here? Well, in America and many other places they refer to it as a backhoe. I refer to it as a JCB. There's a bit of a story behind that. As a small child, we built an extension onto our home, and a gentleman called Erwin Hooper came along with his JCB and dug all the footings for that. He let me have a go, and since then I've always had a bit of a fascination with the JCBs. So at Easter this year, my brother Phil at Tomley RC was there with his digger, and the team of dad and lads, Luke and Mark, were there, and they had some of their construction equipment. A little while after, this thing came up. It was £29.97. It's a 1/20th scale. So let's open the box and see what was inside. Now, I have been carrying this around because I'd been planning to do videos. So I'll take the bits out. You can see it is JCB branded. I thought this was going to have a working functioning bit on the back, but it doesn't. It's just a mock-up, which is a shame, which led me to buy other things. But there we go. We have got the tractor. Let me drop you down and let you have a better look. Right. So there we go. We have got a JCB tractor, fairly good clearance. Steering on the front is tweaked here. The bucket does go up and down. There's an on and off. It's 2.4 gigahertz. I think it has got sound. On the back here is for the attachments here. So you need a screwdriver to get that. I'll put that on in a second. In the package, I put it in a Ziploc bag because I've been carrying it around. I was planning to do a video with it at originally at SST, but the rain and stuff. So it's got the charger. You'll need to provide 2 AA batteries, which we'll put in a minute. It comes with this 400 milliamp hour, 4.8 volt lithium ion battery, which is rechargeable. So that goes in the bottom of the rig in here, and you turn it on and off there. Actually, we've got the batteries here. I've written JCB on it because there is some other construction equipment that you'll see unboxings for over the next few weeks, and then you'll see some other content with it. So I'll pause the video there. I'll get this attached to the back of there. We'll get the batteries put into it. This is the charger for it. I can't tell you the stats on it, but it's got flashing lights and stuff to tell you when it's charging up and whatever, and we'll come back to you once we've got everything together and all of the batteries in. So, little tip when attaching these on the back, you can slide this across so you can get access to this side, flip it over, slide it the other way, you got it to there. So that's all on there. I have fitted the battery underneath here. I fit the batteries into here. There is a switch on the bottom of this which will turn from on to on. So that's now on. And you'll see the light is flashing on the front of that. Under the bottom here, we turn that on. Let's try and see, have we got any battery issues? I just wonder what's going on there. Can I turn? Sometime later, we've had a couple of issues. I have charged up the battery in this. That didn't then work. The batteries in this were new, but it turns out that they had gone. So, start again. Turn it on here. Battery is flashing. Turn it on under here. On. And I believe that's now all linked together. It was working a second ago. Why is it not working? It was working. Interesting. Bear with me. Right, let's try this again because Sharky has forgotten. Turn it on. Turn it on. Press the start button on here. So that's now all working. So it may have been working from the start and I just... Oh, it's been one of those days, folks. So, hopefully you can see that now. Got the buttons here. Got the steering, it's not proportional. We've got the horn. Got the on and off button. You have to turn it on the front before it will do anything. Oh! It's got kind of indicators, which I'm sure Tom Lee would love. So I had to find something that would fit underneath it that'll lift it up. So we've got forward, reverse, and it's catching on that. Let's get so forward, reverse. It's two-wheel drive. We've got a demo mode. We'll try this on the floor in a minute. Right, so on here, this button lifts the bucket. This button lowers the bucket. So we'll get it just off the ground so it's not going to catch. And then I'm going to take it off here and drive it around a little bit. Now we've got it working. Oh! And we'll give you a different angle. Right, so let's hope that the camera is going to stay long enough for us to So if you turn off the sound, it automatically turns off the control. So that's an on-off, but you've got to have the noise all the time, unfortunately. Right, we're going to drop you down and have a look running around on the floor, and I'll run demo mode on the floor. Right, this is on the kitchen floor. Now I've worked out how to do it, so we start it up. Let's move that up a bit. Make it easier for moving around. Right, let's see what happens with demo mode. This is not me driving it, this is demo mode. If you use any movement, it takes you out of demo mode. Let's see if it has any climbing ability at all. We've got the marks, but given the fact that it's only two-wheel drive, despite the big tyres, makes the one mark. So about 1.5 inches. Now it is night time. I'm not going to do a speed run on this. I might do on some of the equipment. I might do it at a later point in time because it's absolutely tipping it down the rail at the minute. Doesn't have any trail braking either. I don't know if we got that. Let's try that again. I wish we could shut the noise off. It's slightly annoying. Right, I'll take you back to the table for conclusions. Right folks, so there you go. There is the 1/20th scale JCB Backhoe. As I say, it was $29.97. It's 4.8 volts, 2.4 gigahertz. It has got the demo mode on this button. You need to turn this button to turn it on. You have got the horn. You have got turn indicators, which I'm sure will annoy Tomley RC. I don't know how much it's actually going to be out of load. We'll have to try that when we have more equipment. The claw arm on the back doesn't work. But I think it's a lot of fun, and we'll have to see how this does in a future video. So thanks very much for watching. We'll catch you all again soon.